Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zahim bin Muhammad Nazri. My metric card is DGD191016. I want to tell about composition and perspective in photography. Alright, firstly is composition about balance. The composition about balance about observe when an image have subject areas that look balanced throughout the composition. The frame and subject within it shows object, tone and color are so equally same. And balance composition mostly using in architecture arts. For the right sample is the sample photo. After that is composition about simplicity. Simplicity is the photography equivalent of minimalism. Obviously, is to place the subject against a natural background, such as a backdrop or the sky. Simplicity allows the viewer to really focus on your main subject. For the example, the flowers, we can see we only focus on the flowers, not the background. After that, about rule of third. Rule of third about guideline which applies to the process of composition visual image, such as design, film, painting and photography. Image is divided evenly into third, both horizontally and vertically, and the subject of the image is placed to make a photo cool and straight. And the example, the mountain and the girls at the right picture. After that, about golden ratio composition. Not as the perfect and the golden ratio can help create a picture that has a strong composition which will attract viewer. This formula can help you when creating shape, logos, layout and more. And then the shape of the golden ratio like a nail. And the example like the picture, the man reading a book and the tree. And then the next topic about perspective. Firstly, about vertical line. Using line in the photography is the best way to strengthen your composition. And then give strength to the composition and photo to make it more stable. Changing perspective subject and can appear much smaller or large than normal. And the example of the picture, and you can see the line, the orange, the yellow line at the tower and the road. And then about perspective about horizontal line. Horizontal line photograph are photograph that are wider. Horizontal line in the greener like sky, street and landscape. To change this perspective, subject aspire a smaller and larger than a normal. And you can see the yellow line and the horizontal line. You can see the different about the road and the sky, and the sea and the sky. And then the perspective about curved line. One of the most commonly used curve S. Incorporating line or curve in photographic composition can be a great way, most commonly used when composition landscape and city shoot. Some element that can be used as an S curve for composition in a scene are river, waterfall, street and light trail. And the example photo is, you can see the yellow line, the shape is S, and you can show the river right there below. And then about the perspective diagonal line. The element in the picture are arranged based on a diagonal line, rectangular shape with a ratio of 4:3 and 3:2, from which the diagonals image a sense of depth and also add dynamism, intersect and crossing parallel line and diagonals, the result of which is viewed from a center angle. And you can see the example photo that the diagonal line at the building and the street. And then the reference what I get from the website at YouTube. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.